Aloha and welcome to this third module on application design. And here we're the first week, the first module, we were just kind of stepping through the hello world type applications of Meteor. Second module, which took 2 weeks, I was trying to give you a sense for the basic constructs in Meteor, Blaze, Mongo, and how you put it together in terms of a very simple CRUD application, digits. This module is going to build off those two by explaining or showing how you create a real app, okay? And by real, I guess there's a certain amount of quotation marks around it, but it's certainly more real, more fully developed than the digits apps was. And this app that I'm showing that we're going to work on this week is called Bofolios. And it essentially shows you what I'm looking for from the final project for this semester, and the kind of thing that after you get comfortable with Meteor, you can throw together in a weekend. And that's a really useful skill as a software engineer, is to take some kind of application idea and to have something running that does basic kinds of manipulation quite quickly. And Bofolios provides a template of many of the kinds of things you need to understand to do to develop at the speed that is possible when you use Meteor. So there is this fully functional final project kind of template system that you'll learn about, and then there's a whole bunch of screencasts that I've made for here that go through various aspects of Bofolios for you. So you should start off and definitely watch all of these screencasts. Also, every semester I ask people to kind of students to tell me what were the problems they ran into as they were doing some initial development, and I try to keep a running tally of those here. The two experiences, first one is where you'll enhance the Bofolios project in a fairly simple way, and that's just to help you kind of step through the database, the user interface, the form code in Bofolios and make simple changes to it, and shouldn't take too long, but it does give you the sense of how do you go into an existing Meteor app and make a change. The second experience is to actually create a mock-up for one of the final project ideas using Meteor. And here what I want you to do is start off with a paper prototype, and you can actually see from the Bofolios project, here's an example where when I started designing Bofolios, I made a little mock-up of the home page on paper just to get my ideas straight, right? And then, hey, that's what it looks like once it's actually finished. So that's the kind of process that when you're just trying to bootstrap your initial ideas, nothing beats paper and pencil. You notice I use gridded paper, but you don't have to. You could just use regular lined paper. Doesn't really help that much. As you can see, I'm not really staying within the margins. Anyway, so that's what you're going to spend a week on, is getting into Bofolios. You'll find a wealth of interesting design patterns and code snippets in there that will help you build your final project faster, as long as you kind of understand what they are and how they work. Okay, so that's what this week is about. I hope you enjoy it. I had a lot of fun putting it together. See you later.